Hello everyone, we continue our lessons. Last lesson we received an error when we run our category page. The reason for the error is that the definitions of dependency injection are not made in the program.cs section, and second reason is at symbol. I will explain what is first at symbol. First, we need to open program.cs and write our code. The dependency injection application is done as follows. The class and interface defined in the business layer are matched with each other. Likewise, classes and interfaces defined in the data access layer are matched with each other. For this, we will use a command called scope. When the relevant field is called true is this command, an object instance will be created for us. We need additionally, since we are using a constructor method in our context class, we need to register this as well. For this we will write code for the DB context class. We need scope. What is this? builder dot services dot scoped at scoped. This is a registration, and we need first data access layer constructor method I category down matched ef category dull. Okay, and we need second business layer matched builder services dot at scope category service I category service, and we need category manager. Okay, good. And we need DB context constructor for registration builder dot at services dot at DB context, and we need Foody context. Okay, this registration is okay. We don't have any problem. Now let's go back to our category page and start writing our codes. This is category list. The at symbol, this is at symbol. The at symbol means a special symbol because it calls razor syntax codes. That is, it allows us to use C# codes on the HTML side. Therefore, using one at symbol here will give an error. If you are going to use the at symbol, you need to add 2. We will not use it right now, so we can delete this. Delete, and delete. Okay, now let's run our application with Ctrl+Shift+W keys. I'm waiting for open. Categories and category list. Okay, as you can see, our category list arrived without any problems. Our table is currently static. We need to convert this into a dynamic table from which we will pull data from the database. First, we need to write the model directory from which we will pull the data to the top. We need model. At model must be list. We need list Foody dot entity layer dot concrete dot category entity. Okay, good. Now let's write the titles of our table. What's titles? Entity layer, concrete, category. We need category name, category ID and category status. Okay, this is tables. This is tables. Where is tables? Where is tables? Okay, tables, basic tables. Okay, this is not problem. We can change column the 12. Okay, and delete sharp category ID, category ID, category name and status, and we need delete and finally update or edit. Okay, good. And finally, we need the part where the data of our table will come. We will use a for each loop for this. The for each loop takes 4 parameters. First, variable type. Second, variable name. Third, the in command, which means true in English. And fourth, the list of array name where the data will come is written. Okay, we need only one tr, first, second, third, delete this here. Okay, delete the others and write our for each loop. At for each, we need 4 parameters. One variable type, 2 variable name, our variable name in item. Okay, 3 in, and 4 list name. Our list name must be model. Okay, and right click, cut, and right click, paste. Okay, good. Delete at item dot we need category ID. Okay, at item dot category name. Okay, at item dot category status. Good. And we need a button for delete and update. A ref sharp. We will change next lessons this sharp. And class btn space btn danger. Okay, and its name is delete. Okay, Control D, update, change class. This change class is success. Okay, danger button is red, success button is green. Okay, and we need after table new category button, class btn space btn primary. Okay, its name is new add new category. Okay, our category list is ready. Let's run. Good. As you can see, our application worked without any problems. Now let's go to the SQL database and make sample data entries. Right click categories, edit up to 100 rows. I think for it, okay, category status 1, so true. Vegetable, okay. Drinks, desserts, and snacks. Good. are enough. Now let's refresh our page. Go to categories / category list, refresh, and our category list is working. Good. Our program worked. That's enough. I have a request from you. Could you add the date, city, and country where you watched this lesson as a comment under the video? I am waiting for comments from Turkish people and citizens of other countries. Thank you for watching this video. See you next lesson. Have a good day. Have a good time.